Good morning, everyone. It's Friday morning and I'm about to do the strangest video I've ever done. I'm going to show you how I get up early. It is 6:24. This is going to be real time on my meal prep for the weekend. I'm going to start with brownies. I'll be back. While the brownies are going to get prepared, I'm going to take my eggs and I'm going to boil 6 of them. 2 are going to be for in my tuna salad and 4 are going to be for egg salad. We are going on the boat today and the grandkids are sleeping over tonight, so I am prepping. So, eggs are boiling. I'm going to do brownies. I'll be back. I'm just making the brownies according to the list that I have here and the list on the box to make the brownies. They're going to go into this 13x9 Pyrex. What I do is I get up early in the morning and I prep for the weekend, especially during the summer. And the winter time is not as often as this happens. The kids don't have school, as you know, so we have them a little more often than usual. Courtney is a educator, so she has time off too. And I'm just making it happen so that on the weekend when they are here, I don't have to stand in the kitchen and cook. So I wanted to show you an average weekend, Friday morning meal prepping in the summertime. So these brownies I just made according to the box. The eggs aren't boiling yet and we're on a roll. I have a list that I get up in the morning and I accomplish before we are picking up our 5-year-old grandson and meeting the rest of the grandkids at our boat. They are all going on the boat today. So, and then I'm taking them home with us for overnight. So it should be a fun weekend. And Gaga is getting ready. This way later, we don't have to do much except enjoy them, swim, and love everything. I'll be back. The oven is preheating. Cantaloupe. Love it. I'm going to always have an array of fresh fruit out, and I do vegetables and fruits as much as I can ahead of time. I just cut the cantaloupe in half, scoop out the center, and get slicing. So we're gonna have cantaloupe, watermelon, pineapples, a couple other treats, and I'm gonna keep you posted. Cantaloupe, pineapple time. You've seen me do it. Cut the top off, cut the bottom off. Stand her up and start peeling. I'm on a prep, I'm on a roll. Pineapple done, cantaloupe done. More to come. What's next? Fruits of summer, cut up. Watermelon, pineapple, cantaloupe. We're moving on. We are working from the pantry, guys. I am making a bean salad. I am using up what I have in the pantry, and I love this salad, and it stays all week. So it's wax beans, green beans, butter beans, kidney beans, and I do an onion and a pepper, and I have the recipe on my YouTube channel, on my Facebook channel. I'll be back. Bean salad dressing, sugar, oil, vinegar. Simple. Chopping my peppers, guys, for the bean salad. Right in the dressing. Onions. Gotta have onions in my bean salad, guys. Chop them small. Looking good, guys. Looking yummy. Dressing, peppers, onions. In go the rinsed canned beans. Rinsed in my colander. Stir it up. Put it in the fridge. And you've got a 4-bean salad for the weekend. Be back. Yummy. I think you'll love this. Good thing I have a great pantry. Mary's orange salad. Crushed pineapple, mandarin oranges, cottage cheese, sugar-free gelatin. It's going to be Mary's strawberry salad today. Sugar-free Cool Whip. I'm on a roll. Mix your cottage cheese with your gelatin till it's well combined. I would use orange, but my pantry had strawberry sugar-free. Yes, I'm making it sugar-free so that my granddaughter Braylon loves this, and I can have it, and she's on a health kick too. So we are going to have a strawberry fruited delicious salad. Fruit goes in, give it a mix, Then add your Cool Whip. It's so delicious. It sets up beautifully. Yummy. Looking forward to the weekend, guys. Do you guys do this, or am I the only one? I mean, when Gaga pulls out the stops for the kids, I don't do it just for them. I do it so that I have healthy food made all week long. The brownies, those are for them. The fruit, the Jell-O salad, the coffee cake that's sugar-free, the bean salad, those are for me. Yes, I will take care of that guy I live with too. This is delicious. I can already tell. If you know, you know. What do I use these cups for? I'm making some overnight oats. My granddaughter's going to try them tomorrow morning because she's sleeping over, and I'm out of the blueberry ones I made the other day. So here comes strawberry blueberry. 1 cup of oats. Whoop. We're going to do 1 cup of yogurt. And keep her going. 1 cup of yogurt, 1 cup of oats, 1 cup of milk of your choice. I'm using vanilla almond milk today. That's the base of all of mine. And today we're having strawberry protein powder. Brownies are done. Good thing I tasted that protein powder before I put those blueberries in. It's coffee protein powder. So guess what, guys? I have made this before, and today I'm making, for my overnight oats, tiramisu. So what it's going to have is the coffee. Instead of chia seeds today, I'm going to do sliced almonds and sugar-free, well, I call it tiramisu because it's coffee flavored. 2 handfuls of sliced almonds, because this is going to be divided into 4. And I'm going to put some sugar-free, no sugar added, actually Lily's, 2 handfuls of these chocolate chips. So it's a coffee chocolate vibe, mocha cappuccino, whatever you want to call it. But I've done it before, and this will be my overnight oats this week, because if I had put blueberries in the coffee flavored, not so good. 4 cups tiramisu, overnight oats for the fridge. We're working. Nice clean blueberries, fresh from the local blueberry farm. Instead of in overnight oats, they're going in the fruit selection. Tuna salad, southern style. 2 hard-boiled eggs, 2 cans of tuna, with a little left in the can for somebody down here. Can you see her little tail? There she goes. Well, you can't see her, but I see a tail. She gets a treat. Little celery and onion, 2 hard-boiled eggs, 2 cans of tuna, a little sweet relish, and some mayo. And it's the southern style, high-protein tuna salad I've been making. It's delicious. There you go. Stir it up, store it in an airtight container, enjoy it over the weekend. My motto, next egg salad. Salad time. Just chopping them up. I could use all kinds of things to chop them, but I'm going to just use my forks and knives for right now. And it's going to be a very plain egg salad. We don't put pickle relish in our egg salad. Just some salt, pepper, mayo. My granddaughter Braylon loves it. She will have what she loves at this house. I like a squirt of yellow mustard in my egg salad, and then I cut down on the mayo. That's just how I make it, a little bit healthier. I want to use a spoon. And the eggs are all smashed. That's 1.5 tablespoons. Eggs, egg salad. Done. Lid on, refridge. Hey everyone, it is 7:38. Together, you have watched me make, I cut them up already, fudgy brownies, 4 bean salad, cut up a watermelon. I made, cleaned and washed blueberries. We have a Jell-O salad, cut a cantaloupe and a pineapple. I made 4 overnight oats, cappuccino flavored. I made egg salad and tuna fish salad in about an hour. So now we go about the weekend very prepped for side dishes, desserts. All I have to do is cook a protein. That is somewhat of a meal prep that I do on the regular. Nuts, girl. And also this look, literally, this is all it is. Pajamas, nothing. Thank you for being with me. Does this inspire you?